Hello guys, learn step by step how to make a specific paper dog with a piece of cardboard. This that look like this. This is one of the most beautiful origami figures that is made very easily by following the steps you can see below. What does it mean to make a paper dog? The dog is in all culture is considered the best companion for a man. That is why the figure represents more than just a role. It represents friendship and loyalty. And if you were thinking of giving to someone, we recommend that you do it to someone who will never fail. So come on. Well, you first you need a specific piece of paper that is for a square. Okay. The next pass is that you have to bend this in this way to form a little squares in that so you can see. Come on. Well, the next pass is that you have to bend this in this way to make to form the head of the dog in this form. Well, when you bend this in this form, you have to do this, bend in this way, and bend the other part in this way. So come on, you have to see the form. You bend this other part in this way. You can see? I hope you can see. Okay. You see? The other part in this way. Come on, this is so easy. And you have to let this in that way, So now you have to bend this in that way, and the other part in that way. You can see? Oh, it's beautiful. So we have to stop a little. Oh, let's go guys. So we have in this place, so we have to do a moment, a crazy movement, just like this, like bend this in this way. So you can see. So in the next part you have to bend this in this way. To bend this in that way for the part before. you can see. So you form this in that way. Well, the next part is bend these little parts and well, you have to bend this in that way. And make this. You have to bend this and you obtain that. So the next part is bend this to make the head of the dog. In that way. So you maybe have to bend this part to make the tail of the dog, just like this. So this is a beautiful origami dog that you can carry you at the night. See you later, guys.